Efficiency is key, especially when you're quoting, detailing, and managing multiple projects. Here are the top 5 handy features and shortcuts that every user should know. Let's face it, there are products that you reach for every single job. Instead of searching for the same cabinet units or panels each time, simply mark them as favorites. Just click the little flag icon next to any product to add it to your favorites list. The next time you need it, it's just a click away, sitting in its own dedicated tab. For example, if base drawer 3 is your go-to for every kitchen, mark it as a favorite and save yourself the hassle of digging through categories. If you've watched our other tutorial videos, you already know how powerful it is to edit and create rooms, setting default specs to streamline your project. But it gets better. With account defaults, you could take your efficiency to the next level. Set your most used sizes, materials, or hardware brands as your personal standards. Then, every new job that you create will automatically load with these presets. That means that every project starts your way, right from the get-go, saving you serious time and helping you maintain consistency across all of your jobs. If your needs ever change, just update your defaults in your account settings, and you'll be good to go. This shortcut is a game changer for consistency and speed across all of your projects. Managing your order is effortless with the detailed cart view. It's easily accessed by expanding the right side cart menu. Here you can drag and drop to reorder products, group similar items together, or quickly find and edit specific products or rooms. If you need to remove something, just click the bin icon. This view keeps your project tidy, so you always know what's in your cart and can prioritize or adjust as you see fit. Perfect for those bigger multi-room jobs. If you ever need to duplicate a product or an entire room, maybe if you're fitting out 2 similar bathrooms or just want to price out the same layout with different finishes, the clone tool is your best friend. With just one click, you can copy any product or room, including all its specs and customizations. For example, you can use the clone tool to experiment. Duplicate a room, then swap out materials or hardware to see how the price or appearance changes, all without disrupting your original setup. With the clone tool, you'll work faster, keep your workflow organized, and make it easy to provide clients with multiple options, all with just a couple of clicks. Need to generate a quick quote for your project? The Quick Add tool has you covered. Easily add products straight from the cart view. Just enter the width for each item, confirm, and they'll appear instantly in your cart, with all other specs automatically filled in using your current room defaults. It's the ideal shortcut when you want a fast, ballpark quote for your entire project. You can always come back later to fine-tune the details and make more specific selections when you're ready to go ahead. The more you use these features, the more time you'll save. Ready to take your efficiency to the next level? Give these shortcuts and features a try in your next project and see the difference for yourself.